This shooting in Bowie is fucking ridiculous. Listen, I don't know what this officer thought he saw, but I don't care. You got it wrong. You got it dead wrong. And you've shot at a guy, and this guy didn't have a fucking weapon in his hand. Go on and roll the tape, man. This fucking pisses me off so bad.
Clear, the man falls to the ground, but is not hit by a bullet. The shot hits a passing vehicle, but doesn't injure anyone. Immediately, Warrington starts apologizing.
Why did you do that?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.